Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a heart eye effect in CapCut. So this effect is new on CapCut. So what you need to do is just import your video and go to effects and choose body effects. And in here find the selfie options. Then you'll find there's a heart shape effect in here. Just click on that effect. Then you can adjust the color, the filter, and also the intensity. I'm going to go with 100 and the range. Okay, I'm going to lower the filter. Click on the check icon when you're done, and here is the result with the heart eye effect. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.